Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited to be back here on this channel. In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys some of the things you can use your Nivea cream for. Aside using your Nivea cream as a moisturizing lotion, there are other hacks or tricks or stuff you can do with your Nivea cream. So if you'd like to see what the other things you can do with your Nivea cream, what other things you can do with your Nivea cream is, then you should keep on watching the video to see what those things are. The number one thing you can use your Nivea cream for is you can use your Nivea cream to soften your knuckle. If, for example, you have a very dark or harsh knuckle and your cream finds it very difficult to penetrate into it, thereby when you apply your cream all over the rest of your body, your knuckle doesn't just work, as in your knuckle looks really dark as if you are bleaching, whereas you aren't bleaching. Because I have a friend, her knuckles are really so dark and she doesn't bleach, she doesn't tone, she doesn't do anything, she just have a very dark knuckle. You can actually just apply a little bit of your Nivea cream on that area. Sorry, I do not have the Nivea cream with me, I'm just going to tell you guys the hacks. You can just apply the Nivea cream around there. It's not like the Nivea cream is going to lighten that place, but it's going to soften it, so that when you apply your cream on it, then your cream will be able to penetrate onto it. Like, you get your Nivea cream, then you just apply a little of the Nivea cream around here, then you apply your normal body lotion onto your skin. That way the Nivea cream has softened that area, thereby making it easier for your body cream to penetrate into your knuckles. Nivea cream also helps to get rid of cracked heels. So if you are experiencing cracked heels or something, you can just get a little of your Nivea cream and just apply it. Let's say this is your cracked heels, you just apply it. It helps to actually moisturize the place and helps to reduce the appearance of your cracked heels or make it softer, you know, and thereby reducing the cracked heels on your skin or on your feet. Nivea cream also helps to get rid of sunburn. So if you have sunburn on this area of your face and you've been looking for something to use to get rid of the sunburn, something you can use is your Nivea cream. All you have to do is to just get a little bit of your Nivea and just apply it on that area where you have sunburn. Apply it all over that place, and within some time or within some days, you will notice an improvement in the appearance of that areas where you are experiencing sunburn. So something else you can use your Nivea cream for is as a styling cream. So if you run out of your hair cream and you're looking for something to apply on your hair, you know, and you don't have any hair cream, and you can just grab your Nivea cream and apply it as a hair cream. So it actually works as a very good cream for your hair. Nivea cream actually helps to revive damaged skin. So if you have a damaged skin as a result of using a bad cream or as a result of using a bleaching cream or a cream that is not suitable for your skin type, Nivea cream will help you to revive your skin, because Nivea cream is a moisturizing cream, so it helps to restore back your original skin color. So if you have a damaged skin and you're looking forward to going back to that your skin color, then Nivea cream is the best cream for you to do, because Nivea cream is a moisturizing cream. It doesn't bleach, it doesn't tone, it just maintains your actual skin color. So that's it. Those are the hacks I have for you guys on Nivea. So I just decided to bring it on here because I made some research about Nivea. I just realized you can use your Nivea cream for these other things apart from using it on your skin. So I'm like, let me just bring this hack for you guys so you guys can know as well, because sharing is caring, you know. So I don't want to keep the knowledge to myself. Why not I pass knowledge to you guys? So I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also click on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That's where you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Also guys, do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. Also guys, do share this video with your friends, family, loved ones, any and everyone who you think this video will be helpful to. Until I come your way next time, I remain your girl Aguchuku. Do remain blessed. Bye guys.